Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to fix Hyundai Sonata window. Begin by safely lowering the glass to inspect tracks and cables, then disconnect the battery before testing the motor. Remove the inner door panel carefully to avoid breaking clips and label screws. Test the switch at the connector and check fuse and power feed. Replace faulty parts, reassemble in reverse order, and confirm smooth travel before finishing. Start by gathering tools like a multimeter, trim tools, and a socket set, and wear safety gloves. Park the car with key out and disconnect the negative battery terminal to prevent shorts. Use a trim tool to pry panels gently and store all fasteners in labeled containers. When testing the regulator, support the glass to avoid drops and always operate the switch slowly to observe binding. Replace damaged parts promptly for safety. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker for hands-free voice commands while you repair your Hyundai Sonata window. It plays instructional audio and timers so you can keep both hands free and focus on the job, and it fits neatly on a workbench. If you like this tip, please subscribe and like for more practical car fixes. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Check the switch, motor, regulator, and wiring in that order to isolate the fault efficiently. Apply 12V directly to the motor to confirm operation and listen for grinding or no movement. Inspect regulator cables for fraying and test window alignment in the track for binding points. Use the multimeter to check switch continuity and fuse integrity. Once you identify the failed component, order OEM replacement parts or quality aftermarket units.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.